ambulance. Maybe it's not a good idea to go out. Let's get the windshield wipers going here. All right. Navigate to Frontenac Plaza. All right, here we go. Now let's do this too as well, because I was in standard mode. Let's go to chill. Now there's some, I should be going in the middle of the road here. Let's find out. I'm in like the right part of the road when the snowplow is actually gone through the left side of the road. Maybe it'll move over here. I need to stop, so let's see how that works. I mean, that was all right. Now this video may not be long because it's probably not a good idea to be out in this weather. Now that I'm in this area where the snowplow has gone through, there is a car coming. Let's see what happens here. Maybe it'll stay in this lane. I'll have to take over if I have to, because obviously I have never driven in the snow with FSD. But right now, I wish it was more in the paved part of the road. Let's just take over, because there's a crosswalk there and I don't want to hit it. All right, back in FSD. Here's the raised pavement, but it's covered. So temperature is currently 30 degrees. We got sleet and snow. Now I'm driving in the path where the snowplow has gone through. Let's actually look at there's our weather map. It's showing rain, but it's sleet and freezing rain, or sleet and snow. Yeah, I'm a little nervous because it's snowpack, and I'm not sure if it's following the actual pavement where it's been cleared. Oh, I got to go over this area right now. Now it's snowpacked again. All right, so let's see where I'm going next. It says I need to make a right turn, but I'm still in the center lane. Maybe it's just going to go straight through to Clayton. I mean, literally, there's nobody out today. A couple cars. So, not taking my own advice, but doing this for the people that want to see how the car, drives in FSD. Here comes a golf cart type vehicle. There he is, golf cart. Now, I feel the car is in pretty good control. It's just not sure about lane placement with really there's no lines. So we're under a winter storm warning. The actual forecasts have been pretty much all over the place, because not knowing where the line was going to set up for freezing rain, sleet, and snow, we were kind of right in the middle of everything, and pretty much That's what we've gotten, a lot of sleet. All right, so pass those two cars comfortably. Now I wish it would go a little bit slower. I mean, it doesn't need to go 26 on a snow-covered road, so I'm gonna slow down. Please slow down with snow-covered roads. And I don't know if we'll just. And it's just real close to the curb. We don't want to be hitting anything. Jeez. Let's go autopilot. I turned the offset to 0. Why is it? Yeah, see, it's going towards the end of the side of the road. All right, I'm taking over because FSD is not, obviously it's not following the path. There's really no path. So that's not good because it's pretty heavy. But the car travels fine with all-wheel drive. I have all-season standard tires that came with the car. Let's just go slow as this truck passes. But it's, now, there it goes. Now it should see the paved street. There it goes. Now there's a snowplow here. I think since I took put the offset on, it's actually going slower. I put the offset to 0. I'm in chill mode. This is better. But the curb is like right there, and if I slide right into it, that's not going to be good. I wish it was over right about there, but it seems like it wants to veer closer to the curb. Yeah, it's my perception maybe that I'm closer than I'm really not, but alright, so now I'm going to turn here and see how it takes it around the corner. Not bad. So yeah, if you are in snow, chill mode and go to 0% offset. It seems like that's the best way to handle it, because now I'm going 19 and a 25. So I do feel a lot more comfortable, because earlier when I was even in chill but the offset was 30-40%, it's too fast. So turn your offset to 0. So that's pretty good. Got to stop here. So it's slowing down really good for that. I didn't even slide, so that was really nice. So, yep, winter storm warnings through tomorrow, Mondays. I'm over the line now a little bit. 6 a.m. We're expected to get anywhere from 4 to 8 inches of snow, but it depends on how much sleet or freezing rain is mixed in. But I'm assuming that most businesses will either work from home or be closed at least part of the day tomorrow, and schools will probably be off. Here comes the plow. This is probably not a good idea. Oh, great. Well, I'm glad I'm stopped. There we go. Thank you, City of Frontenac. If we get over to the left part of the lane, that'll be good. But it's hugging the right part of the road. That's a little bit better now. Now I'm over the line a little bit. All right, let's turn the wipers to auto. It's just bouncing off the windshield. The sleet is. Looks like okay, we're going to take over. We do not want to end in the ditch. See it? Yeah. Please follow snow-plowed pavement. Could have ended in the ditch. And I get the point that there could be oncoming traffic, but there's nobody out. So, and like FSD may be really not even trained for this kind of a weather situation. So I can't fault it at this point, but it has to learn at some point, especially if it's going to be a robo-taxi, right? Now we're going 26 and a 30. You know, personally, I would go even slower. I'm moving the max speed down too as well. Maybe that'll help. Lower your max speed down to wherever you feel comfortable. All right, so now we got our right turn here. And I'm going to be moving into an area where they stop plowing, so there's a little, I don't know if I want my car to go over that ice, so I'm going to go around. All right. So lane centering right here is okay, because the yellow lines are, you can tell on the map here, it's seeing that pretty good. So at this point here, because of the plow has moved the snow really kind of in this lane, the car is centering in between the lanes, which is actually perfect at this point here, because it's following really the path, so it's doing well. Now I have to make a right, and really hasn't been plowed here yet. I don't know, this is probably not great, but we'll see if we can get through. Waiting for a right on red maybe, but there it goes. Two cars out, person standing in the middle of the median. I'm not sure what they're waiting for. Here comes a big plow and another truck. So maybe I should just wait it. This person's going straight through. Let's hit the defrost. I got a green. I'm just going to press the accelerator. Yeah, I wish it was over in the middle of the road. Let's go off of the high here. I'm taking over, it's too close to the side of the road. While in snow, it's navigating too close to the side of the road. Yeah. It's not ready for snow. Not like this. No way. You might as well just drive yourself. Now, my destination is right here at the mall, Frontenac Plaza. We're not going in. There's no reason to go in there. So let's just navigate straight ahead. Yeah, roads are totally covered. And let's see if it just stays right in where the tracks are at. That would be great, but now it wants to veer off into an area where there's no tracks. So yeah. I need to go slower. It doesn't need, I mean, at this point, please slow down for snow-packed roads. There's nobody around me. So we'll put it back in FSD. It needs to learn how to, handle these situations, because if we're going to get to pure robo-taxi service, your customers are not going to want to fear for their lives. And right now, it's uncomfortable. I'm going too fast. Way too fast. I mean, I should be going 15, 20 miles an hour on a 40-mile-an-hour road. Yeah. Nope, not downhill. All right, so I think you've seen enough. And FSD 13.2.2. Snow-packed roads in St. Louis. Not great. Not great. Not advised to travel in this weather. So let's go uphill and put it back on again. A little warm in here. Yeah, it's like yeah, I was fishtailing there, out of control. So back to driving myself. Turn this thing off. You can hear the sleet still. All right, so let's end the video. Hope everybody is safe if you're around the Midwest during the snowstorm. And colder weather is coming, so definitely stay warm. This week is going to be in the single digits. Please don't forget to get me to 1,000 subscribers. So share this video, subscribe if you haven't. Please like the video and comment. And I don't need to hear any remarks about you shouldn't be out in this kind of weather. I know. But I'm trying to get this out to Tesla so they can fix these situations, so it can handle snow-driven pavement, snow-packed pavement, and conditions like this. Because not that everybody's going to be traveling in a situation like this, but if you have to and you don't have a vehicle, and you're going to summon a robocab to your house, it's got to navigate without any fear. We're not there yet. So thanks again for watching Total Tesla. Have a great day. Have a great rest of your weekend. I'm just going over this little packed area of snow from the snow plow. All right, now we're back into better plowed area with pavement. So we'll take care. Thanks again for watching Total Tesla.